This is the simulation model interface of the CIVIS project. When the simulation is running, the visualization is shown in the center window. Each household is represented as a gray or red patch, depending on whether there are people online in that household. On the left side of the interface, there are a number of sliders and drop-down menus with which model users can configure the model input variables. On the right side of the interface, a number of model output variables are plotted as graphs. Under the visualization window, we can find three buttons. The Setup button triggers model initialization. With the Go button, users can start or stop the simulation. With the Go Once button, the simulation only advances one time step with each button click. Through the visualization, it is possible to inspect the state of each agent model individually. For example, if we click on a little patch, in this case a red one, we'll see the household ID and with 4 persons, family members in this household. And if we inspect the household itself, we can see all the variables in that particular household. The same holds also for a person agent. We can inspect a person agent's internal variables through the window as well. As mentioned in the report, model users can use the interface to try out different input configurations and to run the simulation. A more powerful way to run simulation is to use the behavior space tool. We can access the tool through the NetLogo menu, Tools, Behavior Space, and here you can see we already defined a number of simulation experiments. Let me click on the first experiment to show you what can we define inside. We need to give a name to the experiment, of course. Then in the second box, we can define the values of the input variables we would like to have. How to define input variables is explained in our report. In the third box, we can specify the number of repetitions we would like to run for the experiment. In this box, we can define the output variables we would like to record in the output file. We can define a number of experiments using different parameter configurations. To run an experiment, we just need to click the Run button and then choose which type of output file we would like to have. It's possible to run simulation in parallel. My computer has a 4-core processor, so I'm running 4 parallel simulations at the same time. After clicking the OK button, we'll be prompted to give a file name where the simulation output will be saved. Afterwards, the behavior space tool will run the experiment one by one and save the output from the simulation to the file we just defined. After the simulation experiments, we can go to the output file and use any kind of statistics tool to do output data analysis. For more information about output data analysis as well as the simulation model in general, please refer to the report of Deliverable 3.1.